Hi, today we are going to look into how to configure KurrentDB's MCP server with Claude Desktop and VS Code GitHub Copilot. For Claude Desktop, you should be able to find the configuration file shown on the screen. Configuration is really simple. You need to first point a Python interpreter to the server.py file, and then you need to configure your connection string to point towards your current DB instance. Once that is done, you can go to Cloud Desktop, refresh it, and check to see whether the current DB tools are available. For VS Code, you should create an MCP.json file as shown on the screen, and then you should be able to verify whether the tools were discovered using your GitHub Copilot chat on the right. You should now be done and be able to proceed to the next steps.